Hey guys, and welcome to a new video on how to do. Today I'll show you how to freeze a frame of a video in DaVinci Resolve 18. Okay, let's say this is our little clip and we want to freeze the frame right here. What you want to do is go to the blade edit mode and then just click on the point where you have your red thing and then click one time on your right arrow like this. It hops one frame, and do the same with this one. Then go back to the normal mode and adjust the size, make it bigger. So you can see here in the middle, this is our clip that we cut out. Then you want to select the right clip and drag it to the side. And now you can see here this clip. What you want to do is right click this, then go to change clip speed. Here you want to select freeze frame and go to change. After this you can adjust the size of this clip, for example like this, however you like. And then you just drag the right clip back on top of the other like this, and now this is our result. Okay, that was a little hack on how to freeze a frame of a video in DaVinci Resolve 18. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe to stay tuned for more how to do videos. If you have a video suggestion, just let me know down in the comments. See you guys soon.